the rover Pragyan is on surface of the moon. What is the team hoping from it?
It has two instruments. Pragyan has two instruments. Both are related to elemental composition finding on the moon as well as chemical composition. So one based on laser, other based on alpha particles, and both will be doing its experiments. And more than that, we will do the roving on the surface. We will do also a robotic path planning exercise, which is very important for us for future exploration. This data will give a little more understanding of the lunar regolith for all the scientists. So that's what we expect.
Gaganyaan and mission Aditya.
Aditya is a mission to Sun. It is getting ready, and it is just ready for launch. First week of September it will be launched, and after that it will be launched. It will travel for many days to reach the L1 point. Gaganyaan is still in the work in progress, and we are doing a mission possibly by end of September or beginning of October for demonstrating the crew module and crew escape capability, and which will be followed by further missions of unmanned missions next year beginning, and many more test missions and ground test, hundreds of them, until we do the first manned mission, possibly by 25. So other than those two experiments on the Pragyan, we have 3 experiments on board Vikram lander also. One is related to finding the seismic activity on the moon surface. The payload is ILSA, and there is a payload where we will conduct a thermophysical measurement of the moon surface called Chaste. And the third experiment is Rambha, which is going to measure the electrical activity on the surface, especially to study the charged particle atmosphere of the moon. So 3 such experiments.
Why has ISRO chosen the South Pole in the moon, sir?
We have gone closer to South Pole, which is 70 degrees almost. So the South Pole has a special advantage with respect to being less illuminated by the sun, and because of that there is a potential to have more scientific content in terms of retention of water below the subsurface, and also elemental composition and other activities, which is an electrical activity on surface of the moon, to be more dominant there than what it is there at the equator. So science people who are scientists who are working on moon has really shown a lot of interest on the South Pole, because ultimately human beings wants to go and create colonies on the moon and then travel beyond. So the best place is something that we are looking for. So South Pole has a potential to be that.